Deep breath in. All the way out. Where did that one go?
Where's my back?
It went down, all the way down?
Not all the way down.
Okay, but it went into your lower back, just not all
Yeah.
the way down, right? Okay. Wiggle your left ear.
Oh, no, I felt it.
There you go. Right. Everyone, he's still kicking.
Still
See that?
kicking.
You good?
Yeah.
You actually got up much easier.
Oh, yeah.
How's your sciatica?
Oh, I don't feel it.
You don't feel it?
No.
Oh. You were feeling it on both sides, weren't you?
Oh, yeah, when I came in.
Oh, yeah. So, can you believe it?
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, my whole body's loose.
Yeah, even your neck?
Yeah.
Good. Wow. So tell everyone how you felt when I was pulling you. I know
Okay,
you might have
okay.
been low stress at first.
I could go
Maybe
dancing
not.
tonight.
Can you describe the ring dinger to someone who's never done it?
Oh, yeah, it was exciting. It was, man, it took a lot of pressure off me.
Yeah, you were in a lot of pain. You had trouble. You had trouble with all
Oh,
movements
yeah,
before
my
this.
pain level was about 8. No, it's about 5.
Yeah. And the shooting pain?
Oh, my shooting pain's gone.
Okay, see, that's a big deal.
Wow.
The sciatica
I
was.
feel like a new man.
And you know what? The pain's probably going to decrease even more later. Right now there's still a little bit of inflammation. So.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool. Is this
Oh.
something you would recommend?
Oh, yes. I'll be back.
Yeah, cool. This will help for me, okay? Okay. So you feel okay now?
Yeah.
Good. The pain level is still 5, or is it a little bit less now? If it's still 5, that's fine. I mean, it's just one treatment. We need to do more on you.
Even like a 3.
See, it's so slowly going away, huh?
Yeah, slowly going away.
That's wonderful. Well, we appreciate you coming in and trying out the ring dinger. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.